Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be my fifth and possibly sixth list that I make with you guys. Um, I realized I missed another day of me not completing a list due to my classwork that I needed to manage along with my work, right? So let's just get into it. This list is going to be um, Benable links. This list is going to be about Halloween parties, and then I'm considering if I should do fall Target items or Oktoberfest. But let's just start off with Halloween parties, okay? With this one, you guys are just gonna watch me create this. Remember, Benable is a website where you guys can create lists and share those lists. And with people clicking on those links, you are credited money back as an affiliate. Okay, so all that means is that whenever someone purchases something, you just get a small kickback or percentage of those affiliate links. And the partners that the dashboard, these are all the partners of brands that are affiliates with Benable. And it's literally over 30,000 affiliate links that you guys can use. As a matter of fact, let me go back in and check and see if Target is even one of the options. Target is there. Okay. And it's in items too. So they all have their own percentage. It seems like the highest is thematics. Don't know what that is, but as long as we could find it on here and create a list for it, y'all, we gonna make us some money. So this is my challenge: 75 days of Benable. Um, I do have to run to the library soon. I do have to eat. I'm waiting on my food to get here. I start a little bit later off in the day. So y'all, it is what it is. We just gonna make sure that we take it one step at a time. My food is almost here. Yay. Come on, Alberto. All right. Let's get started. I went in and I numbered them, so I just know where I'm starting from or what I have next. So number four, and number five. Mm. Oh gosh. All right, y'all. Let's get started. Have my tea here. Okay. Halloween parties. I'm trying to remember where I went and I got some ideas from. So let's do it. I know for Halloween adult parties, there's not really much you need to do, right? Let's see. Netherlands? Let's see, and let's see. Maybe that's what's happening. I don't even see names and music professor. Here we go. All right. Party City got some stuff. I don't know if Party City is a brand number, but they are partnered with over 30,000 brands, right? So let's see if this is an item that I can put on my list. No, I should have the list. No, that's not. That's money. First of all, the number five. The Let's see if it's gonna have an affiliate link associated with it. So right here is how you can tell all our affiliate links are not available for the sale. So from what I've seen on someone's TikTok live, K Millionaire, you don't always need to have items in your list that have an affiliate link associated with it. So this is something that you can just like show to people and say, hey, this might be something that will help you um, just elevate the look of your party, I guess. I'll tell you right now, for adult Halloween parties, you gotta show up half butt naked and all fully clothed, right, in a nice costume, and it's most of the times it's BYOB. Okay, I was always bringing something. So, what note am I gonna put for this? Web it up. You know, like our own stuff. We're the only ones that's gonna like it. The photos they got are good. I'm good. Okay, with the photos. See, okay, so Halloween party supplies. Ooh, well, let's see. Wow. I forgot all about Party City. It's legit in the name, Party City. Gosh. Right, get y'all some balloons. No. Let's see what I type in and what comes up. What? Nothing here whatsoever? Gosh, this is crazy. Okay, Amazon. Well, listen, I'm gonna need to get my affiliate links somehow, okay? You can do that every once in a while. Am I gonna be doing it every once in a while? Hmm. Let's see. I think every time I put in the word Halloween place, maybe that's what's going on. Um, oh, uh-uh. That's something before Amazon.com. So is that how I have to set it up? Halloween decorations. Wow. What that's it. So why is that photo coming up? Is that photo even better? It's not. Come on. Okay, well, here we go. I didn't even think about that. DIY. Okay, see? Okay. All right. Here we go. Here we go. DIY, indoor, outdoor. See, there's so many different ideas. We need to make sure that they have some affiliates to go along with it. Oh, goodness gracious. Well, hold on, my mom was calling me. All right, guys, I'm back. Let's see. We got to find some Halloween stuff. This is crazy. You have to go back on Amazon. But is Amazon really the only place where I can find certain items? It's just, oh, you can always just put blood again, right? hopefully good. Yeah, see stage blood. And it's at the 5 stars that we talked about. We're like 4.5. No worries. We're gonna do this. Okay. Because at least I know this is gonna come through. This is going. If the link doesn't work, oh, it does work. Okay. Because y'all, I was gonna say if the link doesn't work, then we're just gonna have to. I'm gonna say, guys, figure it out. Hold on, hell of a bite. Is that weird? Yeah, that's weird.